ProMat brings together supply chain industry personnel to see the latest innovations. And the Bedford team was there with safety solutions for plants and warehouses.
Anytime that you have a warehouse or anytime you're moving material, anytime you're inventorying material, from a logistics perspective, safety is involved in every element of it. So therefore, the ReadySeries is perfect for that because we manufacture the platforms, the ladders, the railing, different things of that nature that fit into that sort of applications.
We have a very unique system here, so it catches most people's attention when they walk by. The main people we're attracting are the safety folks and the maintenance folks because they're always looking to replace something that is rusted, such as a steel walkover, or something that is unsafe. By offering a pre-designed OSHA-compliant walkway system, we can alleviate a lot of the safety folks' concerns about not having a proper structure to go over their machinery.
Bedford Reinforced Plastics is the manufacturer of the protruded fiberglass shapes that are used for the ReadySeries. The composite material offers so many more advantages over traditional steel. There are competitors out there that offer pre-engineered structures. They're made out of steel, they're powder coated, so ultimately you're going to have a corrosion problem, where in our case you're not.
It will not rust, it will not corrode, it will be impervious to insects and the such. It's 1/3 the weight of steel, and it's very easy to pick up and move around. The color is all the way through, and it doesn't have to be repainted at all, whereas in a lot of instances, a steel system that is in a moisture environment will have to be repainted probably every 18 months.
Other reasons that ReadySeries materials were so popular at ProMat are the quick delivery time and installation ease.
If you're dealing with a custom solution out there, you have to go through the whole design process and the approval process, which can take weeks and months.
We have it in inventory, so it's a quick turn. We're constantly streamlining our order entry process, and now we have it down to we have an order in and out within 1 to 4 business days. You can use our material basically right out of the box. It's lighter than steel, lighter than aluminum, and you don't need to have expensive welders or folks to put stuff together.
Time is also saved in the quoting process.
We've created our own configurating software. If a customer comes in and let's say they want a crossover, they want an L-shaped platform, we can literally in the booth here walk them through what that's going to look like. While we're building it, it builds the quote, and if they sign off on it, we can email them a quote literally from here in the booth.
In addition to ReadySeries, Bedford also showcased their ProSeries lineup.
We're a full-line manufacturer of all structural components, angles, channels, beams, square tube, round tube, flat sheets that we supply in many, many, many different markets, such as wastewater and water treatment, for example. Along with that, we also distribute or sell FRP grading, both protruded and molded grading.
To learn more about ReadySeries and ProSeries solutions for the supply chain industry, visit bedfordreinforced.com.